Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now I've made several pulao recipes and I'll give you a couple of links in the description. Today I'm going to share a very classic Matar Pulao recipe. So let's get started and check it out. For the Matar Pulao, that is the peas pulao, I've taken 1 cup of long grain Basmati rice. Pour enough water, wash it a couple of times and soak it for about 30 minutes. So first I'm going to make a paste of green chilli. I've taken 2 green chilies, a piece of ginger, 4 cloves of garlic. Just make a coarse paste, pulse it a few times. So we're going to make the Matar Pulao in a pressure cooker. To the pressure cooker add about 1.5 tablespoons of ghee and about 2 teaspoons of oil. To this I'm going to add all the whole spices, starting with bay leaf, cinnamon, clove and cardamom, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds. Next add 2 large onions thinly sliced. Next add 2 green chilies slit. Saute the onions till they are transparent. So the onions are transparent. Next I'm going to add the ground ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Next add some fresh peas. This is roughly about 200 grams. To this add 1 teaspoon of salt. So you can see it's a very simple pulao, and if you're having some friends or family members coming over for lunch or dinner, this is something that you can make very quickly and with very few ingredients. So cook the peas for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the soaked basmati rice. So gently mix the rice along with the peas. So after 2 minutes of adding the rice, I'm going to add 1.25 cup of diluted coconut milk. So if you don't want coconut milk, you can just add regular water and make this recipe. So I'm just going to add a few mint leaves. So this is optional. If you don't have it, don't worry about it. This will just give a nice, very mild, pleasant flavor. Once the steam comes from the pressure cooker, place the weight and cook for 1 whistle on medium flame. The Matar Pulao is done. You can see the rice is cooked beautifully.